Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah. Oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah. Oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth glorifies Allah, the King, the Holy One, the Mighty, the Wise. In Arabic, the word Qudus derives from the root letters that convey the meaning of purity. This name relates to his divine perfection and transcendence above any deficiency or reliance upon anything.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر.
He is God, besides whom there is no other deity worthy of worship. The King, the Holy, the One free from any defect, the Giver of security, the Watcher over creation, the Almighty, the Compeller, the Supreme. Another meaning of this name refers to Allah being the possessor of blessings and generosity. Blessings come to us in many ways. Our food provides us with energy and sustenance for the body. We have been given long lifespans, so we can perform righteous deeds. Our wealth is blessed when we use it to achieve good things. All blessings upon mankind come from Allah, and all that is blessed returns to Him.
Oh my Allah, you are my Lord.